We designed the air cordless lift to be both powerful and incredibly convenient. Wind Tunnel 3 technology gives you great performance for cleaning all your floors. And the liftoff canister makes it easy to clean furniture, stairs, and other above-floor surfaces. For tougher messes, press the boost button to clean with extra suction power. The air cordless lift gives you fade-free, cordless convenience with a long-lasting lithium life battery. Other features like steerable technology, LED headlights, and the 2-in-1 tool make whole home cleaning even more versatile. And we protected your purchase with a 5-year limited warranty that covers not only the vacuum, but also the battery that powers it. The Hoover Air Cordless Lift. Power and portability without the hassle of a cord.
The compact, high-performance Bissell Air Ram makes cleaning quicker and easier than ever. There's no cord to slow you down. Fast, effective, high-performance cleaning on any surface without changing settings. Our unique airlock system effortlessly picks up both larger objects and finer dust and dirt. The revolutionary design collects and compresses the dust just inches from the floor, with no need for long tubes or big cylinders. Its lightweight makes stairs simple, and steering is easy too, with a low profile that reaches under furniture. When you're finished, there's less mess. You can empty the dirt or dust without even touching it. And just one quick charge gives you 30 minutes runtime. High-performance, cord-free vacuum cleaning. The Bissell Air Ram.
Busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The Black & Decker 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.